Yeah, very good morning all. Myself Sandeep Yamsani. So this video is regarding the career options. What are the career options available after 10th? That is after finishing SSC. What are the career options available for a student? This video explains about that. Okay. So to begin with, we have two options after 10th. That is, first option, further study or doing any course. Second option is job, that is starting any of private, either it may be a private or government job. So anyhow we shall discuss deeply in detail. Okay. So job, if you take a job, either it may be a private or government. Coming to private, it may be anything, like based out of your degree you can start private, like any technical non-technical kind of job, joining in some supermarket, driving, or some other in banks and marketing or LIC agent, whatever it may be, suiting your qualification 10th. Private, any kind of, there is no specific kind of job coming to private, anything which is available and which suits your capabilities and caliber. And coming to government, you have VRA in the state level. You can enter into military, navy. You can apply to navy, air force. You can apply to air force. Then you are eligible for police constable, and railway ticket collector, railway TC, and some other bank and clerical level exams also you can prepare and write and get job related in government sector. Okay. So that is about job area after 10. Coming to further study, so this we have to discuss in detail and broad manner. So further study and doing a course, so this is based on, further study is based on your interest, and doing a course, a specific course, that is based on your passion. Okay. So based on the interest, that is further study, you can choose either arts domain, commerce, or science. Okay. So you can take a you can do further study based on your interest. That is, either if you are interested towards arts, either your interest towards commerce, or either your interest towards science. Based on this, you can do either diploma or either inter or paramedical. So we will discuss these three things in detail, that is inter, diploma, and paramedical courses. So first we shall see about inter. So inter, you all know, this is a recognized and conducted by Board of Intermediate Education. So this is course duration is 2 years. So basically in general we have 5 courses here, that is MPC, BPC, CEC, HEC, and MEC. So in general, if anybody wants to do further study after 10th and choosing inter, so the duration will be 2 years, and the courses available, general courses available, are 5 courses. That is MPC, which consists of maths, physics, and chemistry as the primary subjects. BPC, that is botany, zoology, physics, and chemistry as the primary subjects. And CEC, that is civics, economics, and commerce as the subjects. HEC, that is history, economics, and commerce as the major subjects. And MEC, that is maths, economics, and commerce as a major subject. So initially we will be having only this for so many years we are having only these 5 courses, and recently we have the sixth course also, that is MBPC. That is a combination, that is nothing but a combination of MPC and BPC. So these people who are opting this MBPC, so they will be studying both the subjects related to MPC and BPC, and after finishing this inter, they can either enter into a medical domain, medicine domain, and or engineering domain. They can do further continuation study either MPC related or BPC related. So that is a advantage for opting this MBPC course. So that is about the inter. And to talk about what after doing these courses, so after doing any of this course, so that can be categorized as either engineering or a medical or a degree or any others after finishing this. Okay, so suppose after finishing MPC, you can enter into engineering. You can do engineering, that is BTech. You can do BTech. It's graduation. You can do graduation. So again in BTech there are various courses like CSC, computer science, IT, electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil engineering, aeronautical, biotechnology, and etc. Many other courses are there in engineering. So after doing this inter, you can do either engineering, as told, number of courses are there, or you can also start again doing a job based on your inter qualification. You can do a job either central or state level or private job, again you can choose and continue job. And again you can do the post graduation PG as well. After doing engineering you can continue PG, or you can go abroad for MS. So that is after doing inter. After doing BTech, this is how the career prospects would be. And suppose if you choose a medical field, medical field after inter while doing BPC, if you enter into a medical field based on your examination, so the result and rank, you can do MBBS. And after doing MBBS, or you can do any job, joining in any well-known hospital as a practice. You can begin your own practice, or you can do specialization, further specialization in MS and MD, specific to your departments in the medical domain, like further higher study in your specific, like cardiology, pediatrics, or ophthalmologist, or any other specification. You can do that. And this will be the career prospects if you choose BPC as an inter, and if you enter into a medical domain, this would be the career prospects. Or you can do degree after doing this interval. You can, after doing this CEC, HEC, or even MPC after BPC, after any course you opt in the inter, you can do you are eligible to do a degree. Either you can do BA, BSc, BCom, LLB, BCA, BBA, BBM, any of this degree you can do that. Or after doing this, you can always, you have an option to enter into a state and central level government jobs. You can do teaching, and you can start any business as well. So that is all about inter. And other option is that diploma. So you can do a diploma after your 10th by writing, there is one entrance examination, that is Polytechnic, which is conducted by respective states. So you can write that exam, and based on your rank and your marks, you are eligible to do diploma. And basically it is a 3 years course. This is recognized by the DTE, that is nothing but a Department of Technical Education. So here again we have various courses or various departments, or we can opt, either you can do diploma in computer, diploma in mechanical, diploma in electrical, diploma in electronics, diploma of civil engineering, diploma in automobile, diploma in IT, chemical, production, electronics and telecommunication, aeronautical, agriculture, architecture, biomedical, technology, that is marine technology, mining technology, leather technology, textile technology, petroleum technology, plastic technology, rubber technology. So you can opt any of this, and you can do the diploma in 3 years course. So after doing diploma, you can directly enter into a job. You can directly enter into the course which you have taken. You can begin your career as a job in any of the company, private or government, or else you can again further continue your education by doing graduation in your respective chosen course. Okay, You can start graduation from the second year onwards, either in the BTech colleges. You can continue in further education after doing diploma even. So you can enter into a job in the specific course you have chosen, or you can continue further education by doing graduation in your respective selected courses. So that is about diploma, that is further study after your 10th. This is about diploma. This is second option which is available after inter. And the third option is that is available for an after 10th is nothing but that is paramedical courses. Paramedical courses, and these also varies duration, varies 2 to 3 years based on the course you are selecting. And here also we have many courses in the paramedical courses. So you can select any of these paramedical courses, and you can begin your career by joining in some or other job in the respective chosen course. So we have various paramedical courses, that is we have diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in X-ray technology, diploma in health inspector, diploma in medical records technology, diploma in operation theater technology, diploma in dialysis technology, diploma in ophthalmic technology, diploma in dental mechanics, diploma in dental hygiene, diploma in CT technician, diploma in ICU technician, diploma in cardiology, diploma in plaster technician, diploma in physiotherapy, diploma in naturopathy and yoga science. So diploma in naturopathy and yoga science, diploma in veterinary science, diploma in Ayurvedic compounder. So all these courses and many other courses as well available in the paramedical courses. So after 10th, you can choose any of these paramedical courses based on your interest, and you can easily get into a job respective to your chosen course. And finally we have based on your passion. So these are all 3 areas where you can do further study based on your interest. And there is one more thing after 10th, based on your passion. That means you can do any course, and you can start your career or your profession based out of your passion. That is, your passion may be a music, your passion may be a dance, acting, sports and games, and various designing courses. For example, you are interested in jewelry, you are interested in fashion technology, you are interested in interior designing. So you can choose, you can select the related course, and you can gain the expertise and experience out of that knowledge subject, both practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge, as well as the reality and practical knowledge. You can gain exposure, experience and expertise in the your interested domain or interested course, and you can start your profession or career by taking the basic needed course. And other passion areas, that is photography, you may be interested in the photography, so you can take some course, or you can by yourself you can develop the passion, and you can learn the tips and techniques of various photography, and you can begin your career. And suppose if you are interested in animation, graphics, so you can take some course related to that, and you can start your career. And if you are you may be interested in beauty and cosmetology, you can also even take that, start your career. And we have also various ITI courses, that is wireman, plumber, computer, carpenter, fitter, tool and die maker, draftsman, paint technology. So these are all the various ITI courses. So you can opt any of these courses and begin your career. So these are all various career options available after 10th. I hope you all enjoyed and understood the topic. So we discussed this. That's all about various options for a guy who finishes 10th. I hope you all enjoyed and loved the video. So myself Sandeep Yamsani. See you all. Thank you very much. Thanks for your patience, listening and understanding. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you all. See you. Bye bye. Take care.